My name is Yanfei, top legal expert in Lila.
Yo, Xnel here, and we got new info on Yanfei, the newest 4-star character in Genshin Impact. So MiHoYo just released a new trailer and a new article regarding Yanfei. Now I admit I wasn't that excited about Yanfei when we first found out about her in the 1.5 dev stream, but after reading on her mechanics, I think she's gonna be really fun and I'm quite excited. She's got insane charge attack mechanics, some really nice synergy with charge attacks it built into her kit. So I think Wanderer's Troupe is going to be the best set on her. Play the trailer!
My name is Yanfei, top legal expert in Lila. And for the avoidance of doubt, no one else comes close.
Pyro normal attacks.
Incinerate!
That's her elemental skill. This one is actually her charge attack.
Time for your arraignment! Anyway, my point is,
Pretty sick. Yeah, really cute, but still, Eula for me. So this is her normal attack sequence. Looks like Ningguang's. It's homing and it's pyro, and she does have good attack speed based on the trailer. Now, with every attack, she gets a seal of a scarlet seal, my bad. And those are the red squares that you see here. Each scarlet seal decreases Yanfei's stamina consumption and will disappear when she leaves the field. So it doesn't have a duration, but it does disappear when she leaves the field. So this helps with her charge attacks because it does decrease stamina consumption. And this is what her charge attack looks like. Pretty sick. Consumes stamina after a short casting time. Consumes all scarlet seals to deal AoE pyro damage in an area in front of her. The AoE and damage of a charge attack increase based on the number of scarlet seals that it consumes. So if she has 3 scarlet seals, then she gets the max damage bonus from her charge attack. Now at C6, she does get a maximum of 4 scarlet seals, so that's potentially more damage on her charge attack. Now this is her elemental skill. It's a basic AoE pyro damage, but it does give her max stacks on scarlet seal, so you get 3 immediately or 4 if you have C6. I believe the cooldown on this is 9 seconds, so it's not spammable, so that means there's less incentive to do 4-piece Crimson Witch, but it would depend on your overall team composition if you're using elemental reactions with Yanfei. And finally, her burst, it's also another basic AoE pyro damage, but what makes this interesting is it gives her a buff after. So it gives her the max number of scarlet seals, but also gives her brilliance. Now brilliance periodically grants Yanfei scarlet seals, so every couple of seconds, maybe 2 seconds, I don't know, it doesn't say, but she gets a stack of scarlet seal. And while she has brilliance, it also increases the damage of her charge attacks. This is besides the damage bonus from scarlet seals. Brilliance damage bonus, scarlet seals damage bonus into charge attack. Now the effect of brilliance stops when Yanfei leaves or dies. Again, there's no duration, so it looks like Yanfei, you really want to keep her on the field after using her skills or her elemental burst and do as much damage as possible. Even more reason to go all in on charge attack and use Wanderer's Troupe. Start farming your Wanderer's Troupe, fam. If we check Honey impact, look at the talents. Proviso. When Yanfei consumes scarlet seals by using a charge attack, each scarlet seal will increase Yanfei's pyro damage bonus by 5%. This effect lasts for 6 seconds. When charge attack is used again during the effect's duration, it will dispel the previous effect. So she won't have the pyro damage bonus all the time. It looks like it will be on 50% of the time if you're spamming charge attacks. But Blazing Eye, the other talent, is sick. When Yanfei's charge attack deals a crit hit to opponents, she will deal additional instance of AoE pyro damage equal to 80% of her attack. This damage counts as charge attack damage. Wanderer's Troupe will affect this because the bonus damage is also charge attack damage.
Wow!
Insane. If we check her constellations, when Yanfei uses her charge attack, each scarlet seal additionally reduces the stamina cost of charge attack by 10% and increases interruption during its release. So more stamina reduction on C1. We don't know how good that will be, if that's game breaking or whether that's negligible. We'll see. C2 increases Yanfei's charge attack crit rate by 20% against enemies below 50% HP. Now, could have been better without the 50% HP condition to activate crit rate by 20%, but still, it's nice to have. She also gets some survivability as C4. When Done Deal is used, this is her burst, she gets a shield. It is 45% of Yanfei's max HP. What is interesting is C6 increases the maximum number of scarlet seals by 1. So if you have 4 scarlet seals, you will have 15% times 4, that's 60% stamina reduction per charge attack. We don't know yet, but again, per Scarlet Seal stack will increase her charge attack damage. So it looks like she's gonna be a charge attack combo character, because when you do her elemental skill, you get maximum Scarlet Seals. So elemental skill, charge attack, then elemental burst, you get maximum Scarlet Seal, charge attack again, and then it loops over and over and over. You try to get Scarlet Seals as fast as you can with normal attacks, with skill, with burst, and charge attack in between. Looks like she's gonna be really fun. I can't wait to pull at least C0 for her, try out the combos, the mechanics, and if you want to see that live, make sure to follow fb.gg/xnlph. We go live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Tune in, more Genshin Impact and other games as well. Also join our Discord. We got 6,000 members in there. Lots of people playing Genshin Impact, and also some Lost Ark if you're into that. And yeah, see you on the streams.